Babe, wake up! It's 7 o'clock. We have a lot of to do today. It's Vlogmas!
But first, let's make a coffee.
Come on, it's Vlogmas! Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joseph and I'm a full-time eBay reseller based in UK. Today is the day 8 from the Vlogmas and hope guys you enjoyed this episode. Thank you for the support who watched the last video. It's one of the best videos so far what we made it, if we check the views. So thank you so much for that one. And also we sold a few items yesterday. We sold a few items and this morning we so far made 70 quid, so very happy about that so far, because yesterday is not that day what we want in Q4. If you still didn't subscribe our channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, DJIris77. And let's go and let's show to you what we sold yesterday and this morning so far. So this Chessington vampire teddy bear called Merlin is just sold for a few minutes ago for 24.94 pence with free postage, so happy about that. Also from the auction, it has been scheduled for this morning. This Polaroid instant pack film, brand new, sealed, sold straight away for 30 quid plus postage. Also it sold this morning this Hey Doggy singing sticky stick. Yeah, sold for 12.96. Also sold this morning this Furby, which has a small damage on that. Sold for £14.96 pence. Last night we sold this Dumbo for £19.96 pence with free postage. Also we sold again one gloves. It's a cashmere gloves, sold for £14.96 pence. We sold an alien Funko Pop, which is not here, but I put here somewhere the photo from them. And also sold this Master of Universe Funko Pop for £19.99 pence. Also another one, it's a polar bear Toyland, what I showed to you from the mystery box, sold for £36 free postage, so happy about that. Also we have a realistic small KCI bunny which is sold for £11.99 pence. And I didn't remember if I said to you the Hello Kitty bag is sold for £24.99 pence. It's already posted. Also we have here powered slippers. It's a cute teddy bears on that, brand new from the auction, sold for £20 on Vinted. What we have here, yeah, we have here this Christmas collection snowball train, which is sold on Etsy for 40 quid. And happy things about that, it's 1 day ago we received an offer for £10, and the potential buyer said it's the quality is shit on this item, and after 1 day it's sold on Etsy for full price, so happy about that. Also we have we calling in Hungarian kisvakont. It's a Hungarian traditional plushie, which we picked up when we in Hungary and sold on Vinted on for a Hungarian lady for £10. So the world is small, guys. Yeah, so far it's like that. We have to pack this, we have to post them, and also we have to do some we have to organize the shelves because we running out space. So see you guys later. So we finished with organizing the storage unit, and I showed to you the time is now 4:30, so time to go home and start to scheduling some listing. But we know which item where we can find it. Like you can see, I have not my space, so I just do like that the electronics. Also I have some little space here as well, where is the hi-fi. Also I clean up here, so I can put here the two boombox, and still some stuff on the floor as well, but I try to put them on the shelf. Also, like you can see, there is the not all of the lamps, but some of them is there, and we put together some items here, so we have 1.5 shelf left, which we can put some items on. Also, like you can see, the boxes stuff we put together. I'm sure they didn't push the other boxes because they are low weight. And like you can see here, I have some space, so I put from the other shelf some stuff here. Also it's here all the mirror stuff and all of the magazine what we pick up for free. Still a lot of them for sale, so should be next year the first thing we discounted what we have left, because we already make a lot of profit on that one. And we clean the table here as well. Here is the testing area. Like you can see, I testing here all the consoles, VHS players and stuff like that. And here is all the boxed shoes. And like you can see, here is all the puzzle. I just want to get rid of them, and I tell you, this is the next things. I have to discount them, as I have a lot of them, and just I need space. And that is the dollhouse what we put there. Also some bigger toys, like you can see. It is all the soft toys, and I have 5 boxes of shoes as well. Approx 30 or 35 boxes full of plushies and shoes, clothes. This Rafiki just sold on Etsy for £40 plus postage. And also I forget to mention we sold something else on Etsy yesterday. It's a vintage wooden dollhouse kitchen furniture set, which is again sold for £30 plus postage. So finally sales are back, and hopefully we sell more stuff today. So we just received one order from Funko Europe, because like you know, we love Funko Pops, and this one we bought for Christmas for Orshi and for myself. So we would like to open and show to you what we bought from them. And also, if you know Funko Pops, we have a chance for a chase as well, which is more expensive than the normal one.
Try to not look.
Try to not look. So is the first one is yours? Yeah, it's a chamber from Kerber.
But it's not a chase, unfortunately.
We never found the chase. We found the chase for the board game, but not yet for Funko Pops.
Yeah, but the box is excellent, so I'm very happy with this one.
Okay. My one is the next one. It's not a chase one.
Oh. Honestly, I want this one, or which is the name, or the Truhanov bear for chase, but I don't know we're gonna be lucky enough.
Yeah, this is a MacLeod bear.
Oh, the next one is it was a gift because we spent more than 40
60,
or 60 pounds.
60 pounds.
And we have to choose from 3 of them, and we choose the Freddy Funko. It's a birthday edition one, or I don't know. So again, the box is excellent condition.
Yeah, in mint condition.
I like this one.
Let's see the next one. It's a chase one! It's a chase one!
Yes!
Hopeful hard bear, limited glow chase.
Oh! Yeah, I like this one as well.
We found the chase one finally. Oh, we are very happy about
Okay,
that.
hopefully we can try when we finish with the opening.
We have, I think, 2 more or 3 more.
Yeah, 2.
We still have the diamond edition one as well. The
I
next one
think
is,
it's gonna be this one, no? Wishbear?
yeah, which bear? No, it's the same, but have the diamond edition as well.
Oh, okay. But again, the condition of the boxes are amazing, so that's why we like to order from Funko Europe, because they never disappoint us.
The next one, it's True Hard Bear,
Yeah.
which you want the
Yeah.
chase, but sadly it's not a
Yeah,
chase.
I think only one of them is gonna be the chase.
Like you can see, True Heart Beer. It's a so cute one, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I think the last one is the diamond edition one. Yeah? Yeah.
Hopefully, yeah. Yeah. Wow. It's just so cool. Yeah, the box is again very good.
Oh, here is all of the Care Bears. I think the 40s birthday. And now the set is complete, and also we found the chase one, which I show to you in a minute, because it's a glow in the dark chase one. How you feel? Are you happy?
Yes, I'm very happy with this order, especially because all of them is mint condition, and yeah, I'm very satisfied, and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
No.
So let me show to you the chase one. Absolutely amazing.
Hopefully you see guys on the camera as well.
If you like this content, please like, comment, subscribe, and
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, DJRU77.
see you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.